Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you add water repulsive pack in CapCut PC. So first you can go to media and import your videos or photos you like to edit, and I'm just going to add this right, this photo, and sorry, this image, and add the track, and just going to effect and select video effects, so you can find the water repulse effect and distortion. Here's you can see this grow effect. You have to drain properties to be able to use this effect, and after you download it, just add to the track, and you can adjust for the duration the same lane with the duration of the effect, and you can adjust for option right here. Right, so it's going to change for particle in space, filters, and size, then speed. You can see for the final result. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Sorry if there are noise.